All right, hello, Hypercycle community. This is Raymond Mata. I am the lead tech support and also customer success. And today we're going to be diving into the V2 DApp, dap.hypc.ai. That's where you're managing your node factories. That's also where you're handling HTS and your tilling. We're going to go through some of the steps involved in the management of your node factory and the assets underlying the node factory. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is converting HYPC to c-HYPC. c-HYPC is the native form of HYPC on the hypercycle network. So what we're really doing is we're moving the store of value from the Ethereum network, which is a pointer to the hypercycle network in the form that you see it in your wallet as HYPC. That's a pointer. We're actually converting that into a form that is active and in use on the hypercycle network. This is usually done when you're getting ready to marry a node license with your tokens. It's a step that the wizard does for you, but you can also do it yourself if you like, especially if you have a lot of node factories that you're managing. You want to go through and actually do the conversions and have the c-HYPC present there for you. The wizard will pick up on it and move to the next step for you. Okay, so we're going to click on over to convert. So in my case, the license that I'm going to be converting my HYPC to c-HYPC is the level 11 license. Okay, so that's 2048 tokens that I need to convert to create that node factory in a later step. So I'm going to click on convert and I'm going to click on level 11. Now, what you see here, it's an important thing to notice when you're doing this specific conversion, okay? Says here that there are 13 tokens available at this level. Obviously, that's not 13 HYPC. That's 13 level 11 token packages. 13 level 11 c-HYPC bundles, if you will. And a bundle of a level 11 c-HYPC is 2048. Okay. So you see, if I choose level 11 and I'm moving from HYPC to c-HYPC, the first thing you're going to see is the number of tokens at that level, 2048. That's correct. And you're also going to see the balance of c-HYPC that you have in the connected wallet. In this particular case, is a balance of 20,342 HYPC in this wallet. Just make sure that the balance is the same or greater than the level that you're trying to accomplish in this conversion. Sometimes users don't notice that. They don't have enough HYPC and the conversion doesn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and click approve here. It's a very affordable transaction with the ETH gas fee so low. Okay, the very first step, as we said, we went to level 11. We made sure that we were converting 2048 HYPC. We have a balance that exceeds that. We have 13 tokens available at this level. And we have the approve button. When you click the approve button, it's going to approve the spending cap for the specific function. Okay. Then it's going to come back here. And when that happens, it's sort of not clear whether or not the approval function actually took place. Okay. If it took place, this is how you know. You click on approve, and you notice that the status goes from approve one here over to convert. Okay. That's how you know that the approval function took place. You can also see it in the wallet under activity, approve HYPC spending cap confirmed. So the approve button settles this transaction. The convert button is what actually moves the HYPC into c-HYPC after approval. We're going to go ahead and click convert, confirm, close extension. Okay, so after the approval step and the convert step, the app does actually refresh itself, and now you see a few things. My balance has gone down by 2048 HYPC, as you can see here in the available balance, and I now have a total balance of one c-HYPC at level 11. Okay, So that conversion has taken place, and that completes the function of converting HYPC to c-HYPC.